Travel is important because it helps us grow. It lets us see how other people live, understand new cultures, and learn more about ourselves. It opens our mind and make us kinder and more connected to the world. So let's travel. Wow. Mm. So this is Road Valley. So we ordered some drinks here. So while waiting here, two of my colleagues, they are busy on their hair as usual. Since you can see they have long hair. Abuja, please have a drink. Thank you. So this is Maggie. This is a black tea. Can you show me here? Here. Black tea. And this is Maggie, Pahado Wali Maggie. So we are going to have this Maggie. And black tea also.
Okay, so we are having tea party.
Oh my god,
Let's cheer.
Okay.
1, 2, 3.
Yeah.
For our bright future.
Wow. Oh, 맞아.
Okay, so now we came to restaurant to eat dinner. So this is the restaurant.
Yeah, so many variety of dish.
So many what?
Variety of dish.
So what are you going to choose?
We are actually looking for a shellfish. It's very famous here.
I will show you. Wait. That one.
Oh,
Oh, sorry.
but you're vegan, right?
Yeah.
So how?
So I order mutton paneer, butter naan, and
Paneer is like a cottage cheese. And she doesn't have many options.
Yeah, because she's vegan, right? Okay, we will see when the food comes how it looks like. Okay. So this is our dinner. This is our room. Here you can see my two friends again. They are busy on their hair. Wait, Pooja. So now we are going to have breakfast. Namaste ji. Coba
Senang gitu banget.
Jembalannya Sangiran Bosi Jembalannya Bosi Jembalannya Bosi karena Bosi sembah coba.
बस हो गया गाड़ी आ
अपना
रही
ध्यान रखना.
है हाँ गाड़ी आ रही है
So here you can see a dam, and this dam was built in 1920 during British. The reason behind to build this dam was to generate electricity around this, and yeah, this is quite big. So now we are heading towards dam. So this is Daisy flower. Wow. So we came from here. So now we will go this way. Here you can see my friend. Aning Yodo. Wow. So where we are going?
So we are exploring this dam
Dam.
Yeah,
Kinzom.
they are such a large dam.
Dam. Okay. Let's go.
Okay.
परवेश्वर
Wow.
Naon bisa main
Wow. La. Ooh. Ooh. Wow. Oh, Ninja. So beautiful. So now we are taking picture here. Kinzom, how do you feel?
Today I feel very good.
Oh my god, too long.
I can't explain my feeling right now.
Oh, do you feel like you are in Swiss?
Yeah. Can you please show them such a beautiful view?
Yes. Oh.
ਹਾਂਜੀ ਜਾਣਾ ਕਿ ਰੁਕਣੇ ਨੇ ਮਾਮਾ ਗੱਡੀ
So now my friend's wearing traditional dress. So this is final look. Tarangyo. Now Miss Kinzom also wearing traditional dress. Ooh. So now Kinzom. Oh.
Now I'm ready. Do aja.
Yes, now we are ready to take picture. So they are taking pictures. Look at her hair. So they completed their photo session. Are you coming?
Yes. Now I will click your photo. Ada.
Okay, thank you. So this is the main Barod Valley. You can see some people taking pictures. So now we are leaving from this place, and now we are heading toward next destination, that is waterfall. So we are heading toward the next place. And from Bird Valley to this waterfall, it has 5 kilometers.
वाटरफॉल कहाँ पे है
इससे अंदर है
सीधा आगे हाँ
And this is La Paz village. I don't know I'm pronouncing correct. And here road condition is very bad, I would say, because I can see village is quite big, but road condition is not good. So here you can see beautiful field and a breathtaking view. So now we started to walking toward waterfall. Wow, beautiful field. So here waterfall. Wow. It's playing song. How was your feeling?
Oh,
What?
it was such a great feeling.
What about you?
I was very excited.
Okay.
If you're watching this video, then you also have to come here.
Okay. At the end, you won't remember every purchase, but you will remember the sunset, the thrill, the peace, the late night talks, and the moment that made you feel alive. Travel is not just about place, it's about collecting feelings you never want to lose. So, thank you so much for watching.